My kids, Maddie and Jack, love the art studio in New York. They really have a safe place to express themselves in a non-judgmental and caring environment.
I love the art studio in New York because I can use my imagination.
Well, every time we make a project, there's artwork around us which inspires us of what we're gonna do.
Go and escape from the real world and be able to paint, and I like art kind of I don't really think about anything when I'm doing art. I like to just kind of escape into the drawing and do it, and it's really fun.